SMMT stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And just observing Summit Therapeutics, I have to say one thing, I really am just observing the stalling price action here, at least from this 1-hour chart. I want to take a look at the higher time frame. And last time I made a video, I said if I see a double break, I'm looking to take things up, and that was back in September. And since then, we've completely abandoned, I never got a double break, and we've abandoned the bullish side of things. You know, we just kind of kept going down. I mean, that's normal, that is going to happen. But does that mean that I'm going to start buying right now? Nah, not necessarily, because we're again coming down from this high. The only thing that I really care about from a swing trade perspective, I mean, that's the only thing that I can look for here, is the price giving me a solid 4-hour or just like a daily double break here with a full candle close. And only then after I'll look forward to take things up. Other than that, everything else is noise. Everything. So I'll definitely continue to keep you updated, and I'll keep waiting. If you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.